Hi, this is Albert Nixon, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, St. Joseph's College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Kadalur. Today I am going to discuss about alkenes. Introduction about alkenes. Alkenes are hydrocarbon which contain carbon-carbon triple bond. The triple bond is indicated by changing the end of the name to -ine. In the case of alkane, ane, alkene is ene. Here alkene, instead of ene, ane, you put yne. That's why it is called alkene. Alkenes, like alkenes, are unsaturated hydrocarbon with the general formula CnH2n minus 2. In alkane, CnH2n plus 2. In alkene, CnH2n. The case of alkene is CnH2n minus 2. They are very unstable, quite reactive. For example, ethane is the simplest alkene, which is more commonly known as acetylene. However, the alkenes which have triple bond at the end of the molecule often have the terminal hydrogen is more reactive. Then next, preparation of alkene. First preparation is elimination reaction, otherwise called as dehydrohalogenation. A strong base removes dehydrohalogenation from the starting material. Take 3-chloro-2-butanol in the presence of soda amide to give 2-butane-1-ol. The another two successive elimination reactions. The major difference between these two reactions, one is using geminal dihalides, another one is using vicinal dihalides. In the case of geminal dihalide is in the sense the same carbon containing two halides, it is geminal dihalides. Vicinal dihalides, adjacent carbon having dihalides to give alkenes. Third preparation is thermal decomposition of ethene. Ethene decomposed at 1100 degrees Celsius to give acetylene. And fourth one is methane by heating 1500 degrees Celsius. Take 2 moles of methane at 1500 degrees Celsius, you get acetylene and 3 moles of hydrogen gas. Next, physical properties of alkene. They are non-polar unsaturated hydrocarbons. Alkenes dissolve in organic solvents, have slight solubility in polar solvent, and are insoluble in water. Compared to alkanes and alkenes, alkenes have slightly higher boiling points. For example, ethane, the boiling point is minus 86 degrees Celsius, while ethane is minus 103 degrees Celsius. Here ethane is higher boiling point, 84 degrees Celsius. The below is electronic structure of alkenes. Then chemical properties of alkene. An alkene molecule except ethane has 3 parts because ethane is a simplest alkene. It is represented at the box. So R is the alkyl part, carbon-carbon triple bond is alkene part, the terminal hydrogen is acidic hydrogen. So alkyl part, the alkyl part being inert alkene and thus does not show any substitution. Alkene part consists of 1 sigma and 2 pi bonds due to more strain than alkene. Pi bonds are highly reactive and less stable. In the case of alkene, 1 sigma and 1 pi bond. Here 1 sigma 2 pi bond, acidic hydrogen part. The terminal hydrogen is acidic hydrogen. So it shows in the corner. If S character is increases, acidity also increases. You take alkane. Alkane is sp3 hybridization. So 25% of S character, remaining 75% is P character. You take alkene, 33% of S character and 66% of P character. You take alkyne, 50% of S character and 50% of P character. The trend is if S character is increases, acidity also increases. Addition reactions of alkynes, the reactions of alkynes. So alkynes undergo addition reaction. The first addition reaction is hydrogenation reaction. Take any alkyne in the presence of palladium, platinum, nickel, hydrogen molecule, it gives corresponding alkanes. There are two major reactions involved in that addition reactions. You take alkyne in the presence of linear catalyst, you get cis product. Linear catalyst is nothing but palladium calcium carbonate. You take Birch reduction, it give trans product. So it is represented as 2 cis and trans. Next, electrophilic addition. So addition of halogens. Take alkyne in the presence of halide. Take bromide or chloride, the dark to give disubstituted product. The rate of reaction increases in the presence of light. The reactivity order of halogen is chloride is more reactive, then bromide, then iodine. Addition of hypohalous acid. Hypohalous is nothing but HOCl. OH attached one part and Cl attached another part. Then remaining another 1 mole of hypohalous acid reacts with alkene to give dichloroacetaldehyde. Then addition of hydrogen cyanide. So you get vicinal cyanide. This is a monomer. Then polymerization reaction. Take 3 moles of acetylene, red dot in the iron hot tube to give benzene. Take 4 molecule in the presence of nickel cyanide, get cyclooctatetraene. Take 1 propine, you get mescaline. Linear polymerization. So it is a polymerization reaction. You get rubber, nothing but neoprene. Another reaction is addition with boron hydride to give corresponding aldehydes and alkenes. Ozonolysis. Ozonolysis is nothing but oxidative cleavage of multiple bonds to cleave the triple bond to give corresponding acids. You take acetylene is a starting material, you get 2 moles of formic acid. Take propane is a starting material, you get acetic acid and formic acid. You take 2 butane, you get 2 moles of acetic acid. Then oxidation of alkenes. Oxidation of alkenes by potassium permanganate, you get oxalic acid. Next reaction is oxidation of selenium dioxide. Selenium dioxide is good oxidizing reagent. It oxidizes alkyne into alkyne group into aldehyde group. So you get Clayoxal. Next, isomerization of alkynes. Take 1 butane, the presence of alcoholic KOH. The triple bond shifted into second carbon. So 1 butane to 2 butane. This is isomerization reaction. Then formation of heterocyclic compound. Take 2 moles of acetylene in the presence of ammonia, iron pyrite to give pyrrole. Instead of ammonia, you put sulfur, you get thiophene. These are the heterocyclic compound with the 5-membered ring. So next, uses of alkynes. Among alkynes, acetylene has got wide application in industries as oxoacetylene, flame for welding, as illuminating agent in Hawker lamps and lighthouses. It is used as a artificial refining of fruits. In preparation of monomeric unit like vinyl chloride, vinyl cyanide, vinyl acetate, vinyl acetylene, etc. To get polymer PVC, PVA, chlorobrine, BUNA-S. These are it is a widely used in textile and plastic and shoe rubber industries. In preparation of poisonous gas Levist, it is preparation of solvent such Western, Westall and other useful chemicals like benzene, acetaldehyde, acetone, etc. It is used as a general anesthetic under the name noracetylene. So these are the introduction and properties like physical and chemical properties and the reactions of alkynes. Thank you.